Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your friend list on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device, and if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. Now, after logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start posting your stories. Now, from this page, if you wish to edit your friend list visibility, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, from this page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and you will be taken to your settings page. From your settings page, scroll down and tap on your public profile, and now from your public profile menu, you will be able to tap on edit profile. Now, within the edit profile menu, there is an option to show how many people follow you. If you don't wish anyone to see your follower list, then make sure that this toggle is turned off. Now, since your friend list is private by default and no one else can see it, the option that you can set within your profile is whether someone can see your follower list or numbers or not. So you can come back to the edit profile menu as many times as you want and then turn this toggle according to your preference. You can then tap on preview profile, and whatever preference you set will make your followers number appear underneath your profile or not appear if you have turned this toggle off. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your friends or follower list on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.